The worst thing is the stress.
You are your own boss, so it's very difficult to be a boss every day.
It's 24 hours, 24/7. It never stops. It's always there. It's always in the background. And if you make a bad decision, you kind of just have to live with it.
You can never sort of like. There's always more stuff you wish you could analyze, and there's always more things you could sort of do. So it sort of never ends. You can always pile on more.
You need to have grit. You need to have staying power.
You have happiness and worriness on the same time.
It's quite stressful.
The hardest thing is probably keeping from overtrading, you know.
Quite boring at times.
Thinking you have to be in a trade all the time, that's difficult.
When it's not going the right way, and every trader will go through it.
So I think over my investment lifetime, I've made hundreds, maybe over 1,000% in returns across my entire portfolio.
The price goes in the wrong direction.
But at times I've been massively down. I mean, on Etoro, I think last year I was down 30% or so.
And you know what you have to do, and you know you're doing the same thing, your same process, but it's still very stressful.
You need to be able to take the bad times with the good, but also last through the bad times, knowing that the good times are coming.
The bad thing is sometimes it make me lose money.
So weathering that is quite hard. It's particularly hard with an Etoro because the community will be slamming you the whole time you're down. So then you've got that requires an extra level of grit, I find.
The best thing...
I think trading is a very interesting work.
I just enjoy every aspect of trading.
It's like a roller coaster every day. Okay, and no day is the same.
The best thing is that genuinely trading is really fun.
Every day has new things for you, new changing.
It's really stressful and all the rest, but it's the thing I enjoy the most.
You see it like Brexit or Trump or other things on the world. So many things happens on the world every 24 hours.
And it never leaves, because then it's like Saturday night and you are, at an event and you see a lot of people are drinking Aperol spritzes, and immediately I start asking questions. And on the Monday I've invested in a company that makes Aperol, and then it never leaves.
Just thinking through how companies are going to do, how projects are going to do, looking at charts. It's just kind of fun, to be honest.
And you see the reaction on all charts of shares, currency, or other investments. And that's so interesting.
It's like I'd do it even if I had no money.
Especially with Forex, and I love the idea of making money with the currency itself.
I like that it's almost 24 hours a day.
The best thing is I do the thing that I like.
There is chance, but you can balance that chance, that risk. And I find that very fun, quite addictive.
The best thing is freedom, because you work for yourself, you do whatever you want.
I get to do it whenever I like.
It's great. That's why I do it. Why I do the work. So for me, that's make me happy. The experience every day.
It's like printing money on your laptop.